Hello everyone, welcome to Cheese Kitchen. Today I'm going to make Kerala style fish curry. This is actually one of the most easiest fish curries and very delicious and spicy. This is great for rice, idlis, dosas, idiyappam. Easy, and also you can make this in a few minutes. Now let's see how to make fish curry. I'm going to first saute a few ingredients and I'm going to grind it to a fine paste. For that I'm going to add some coconut oil. To that oil I'm adding fennel seeds and fresh red chilies. I'm going to saute these for about a minute. So it's been a minute. Next I'm going to saute garlic, ginger and small onions. I'm going to saute this for about a minute. So it's been about 2 minutes and this is done. To this I'm going to add some turmeric powder, red chilli powder. I'm going to mix everything. I'm going to saute this for just a few seconds and grind this to a nice fine paste, puree. So to a pan I'm adding coconut oil. You'll need a little bit more. To this I'm going to add the paste which we just grinded. Next I'm going to add tamarind water. And then I added some water in the mixie. And I'm going to mix everything together. Now this is the right time to check for seasoning. I'm going to add salt and a little bit of chilli powder. And that is it. Let this come to a nice boil. So I'm going to leave it for about 5 minutes. So it's been boiling for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to add the fish. I'm going to leave this for about 2 to 3 minutes and it's basically done. So yes guys, Kerala fish curry is done. I'm actually cooking this in the morning, so I'll be having this for rice and some idlis in the night. It's actually nice to make in the morning and have it at night, or do it at night and have it in the morning. So yeah guys, hope you guys try it. It's actually the most simplest fish curry. I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care everyone. Bye bye.